It's almost December 25th, and it's when eggnogs dominate the store fridges. Hey, but why buy it when you can easily make it from home? Let's go and just do that. You're gonna need egg yolks only, and in this recipe you're gonna need 3 yolks. Mix egg yolks with half cup of sugar. Vanilla extract or beans from vanilla pod. I used real vanilla because I had it and it tastes better for me. Mix these vanilla beans with egg yolks and set it aside. Add 200 ml of cream and 400 ml of milk. Because pods can still infuse flavor to it. Do not stop mixing them until the last drop has been poured. Cool them down in a fridge, preferably overnight or at least 3 hours before serving, so even the slightest of egg smell evaporates. Well, happy holiday, everyone.